Have you ever gazed upon the breathtaking landscapes of Australian country roads and wished you could capture that beauty on canvas? In this video I'll reveal the techniques and tips that will transform your oil painting skills, allowing you to bring the serene and picturesque charm of Australia's countryside to life. If you are interested, stick around. I also with the palette knife. Towards the end I'll show you just a tiny trick what you can use doing some very small details with your palette knife. Anyway, let's start mixing some colors. Very basic with the colors. I don't get too carried away mixing up because they do come on the tube already mixed. I just tweak it a little bit while I'm doing the painting. So this is the one very easy way to do the painting itself. I always start with from the top, not always, but in this case I will. Using the ultramarine blue on the top, titanium white in the middle, Payne's grey on the bottom of the scenery. Now I'm starting tapping with crumb paper and then I blend it. So just a clean crumb paper for starters, and then you blend it with a soft brush. And I'm just adding up a little bit Payne's grey, also titanium white. So just blend it and then build it up. And here I'm using a little bit violet, which is the blue violet color, and how you can get them from the blue violet is using the red, mixing red and ultramarine blue and a little bit titanium white that it's not too dark. And now I'm just adding up bit by bit those detail highlights, titanium white, and then I just blend it with the soft brush. Very gently blend it that it doesn't smudge too much. And this works well with the board panel because it doesn't, some reason it just stays where it is, but you gotta blend it very gently. And I'm using now the green colors and yellow mixing up on the horizon, and gently I'm just making more lighter colors because I'm focusing the middle, the panel where my like a sun is hitting the on fields, and using the masking tape as well to get those straight lines, and just adding up a little bit more darker green colors underneath the yellow. And now I'm just using the palette knife to just to blend it, and using the brush as well to blend it. This is gonna be undercoat for my painting, and just give them a bit of a blending on the fields as well. And now I'll let it dry for the next day and I'll start mixing up new colors for next layer, which is the grass field behind the country road. So just next layer will be the olive green, burnt umber, ultramarine blue and arrowlight yellow. And I always use liquid original because it does give that a little bit more nicer flow, and it speed up with the drying time as well. And here I'm just splitting up the masking tape and just get those distant mountains you saw, I just add up a little bit more lighter colors that it comes out as a bit of a highlight, reverse highlight actually, what I call it. And here I'm just using, again, tapping those trees with paper towel and using the masking tape as well, just to stop the smudging all over the place. And taking the masking tape out now and using the brush underneath the tree line just to make it a little bit more tidier, and smudge that a little bit. And here I'm just using the palette knife, just in the distant, a little bit more fields, I suppose, the highlight. And just bit by bit you can use your brush and paper towel just to wipe those, if there is too much paint you can wipe it out, and then use your fan brush bit by bit. And I just even add a little bit on the top, little highlights. And now I'm just starting doing the main tree there on the left, and again with the paper towel I'm just tapping it up and just give a couple branches and trunk of the tree, and just bit by bit, even using the paper towel to give a bit of a texture as well. So it's a good way to just use your paper towel to get little marks, and because you got that underpainting already nice and dry. So now I'm using just a very rough paint brush, which is very good on this. Color is the olive green, what I'm using now. And just wiping it out a little bit with your paper towel as well. Makes your mark. Just go with the flow. Sometimes you just don't have to think too much, as long you get the right amount of paint on your panel. You can push it up, wherever you want it. And then you tap a little bit more the tree as well, and I'll make another tree on the other side. This way it's really easy to add up things. And if you don't like it, you can just wipe it off, gently wipe it off and start again, because the underpainting is not just dry now, so you can shape it up however you want it. So it is very easy, anybody can do it. I'm just finishing the little fence, and like I said from the beginning, this is a very easy way to do the fence, because the detail, you can do the wire fence. And now I'm just using the tip of the palette knife to do the wire fence, because the painting, what I've been doing is fresh, so it does that nice highlight fence. It is a wire fence, so it's a very easy way to do it. And with your hand, you don't need any straight lines, because it's more natural look. So, and painting is pretty much ready now, and it's a very easy way to do that nice countryside road of Australia, or even in America, South America, or in Europe. So thank you for your company, and I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye now.